Hello everybody, this is Dr. Milligan. I'm with you this week for the week of September the 23rd through the 27th for Tech 030. I have a little typo right there. It should be TCH, not TCHT 030. So let's take a look. First of all, let me just remind you how to get a hold of me if you need me. Here's my contact information. You can call me, email me, or come visit me during office hours. It's probably easier if you come and see me during office hours because since this is a technology class, it's a computer class, it's helpful if I can see what you see. So if you come and see me during office hours, I'll let you share your desktop with me and we can walk through and see what's holding you up or what questions you have. You can see on the board, these are my times for my office hours. If these times will not work for you, if you have class or there's something else going on, please let me know and we will set up a time to meet individually. So let's go ahead and take a look at your lessons for the week of September 23rd. Well, before I do that, let me go back and let's go look at class home. And you'll notice we have recordings here. So let's click on that. Yours might look a little different because you're a student and I'm a teacher. So I have had emails from students who say, well, there's nothing there. I can't find it. Well, here's how you find all of the stuff that you need. So how to find the student resources are here, how to create a zipped file. All of your projects need to be turned into me in a zip file, please. Changing file types, that was a couple lessons ago, and then here's your Unit 4 project. So just make sure that you're watching these videos, okay? And then Unit 5 project, here are all the instructions for Unit 5. So make sure before you ask a question that you've gone through every avenue you can think of to answer your question, which means watching the recordings and going through the lessons very carefully because 99% of the time your question will be answered in the lesson. But if it's still tripping you up and you just can't find the answer, certainly come and see me and we will work that out. So let's go take a look at what your week looks like for September 23rd. All right, even though I'm only showing one class here, I do teach 6 different classes. So I have 6 different class pages, but that's only why you see one class here is because this is for Tech 030. So let's look at the week of the 23rd. So 6.01, you're going to be drawing some shapes. I'm looking forward to seeing your projects. So if you look here, this just kind of gives you, and you know this is a review for most of you, and this just kind of tells you what you're going to be doing in Unit 6. You're going to draw a banana and color inside of it, but you're going to do it by freehand. You're going to do it freehand without tracing. So this is kind of what you're going to end up with, okay? And it does say, if it helps you to sketch out your ideas on paper before you start, then go ahead and do that. So just decide how you want your project to look. So you're going to draw an apple, a banana, and an orange. So think about what you want it to look like. Now notice here, there are 20 pages in this lesson. So yes, it's going to take some time for you to go over those. So you'll see here, it talks about making a new file. Now, most of these lessons have a video, you guys. And when you click on the video, it's going to take you outside and it's going to take you here. May have to allow Adobe Flash to run. I'm not going to watch this whole video, but we're just going to.
Making a new file. To open a new file in GIMP, click the Start menu and find your GIMP program. Click the File menu and then click New. In the Create a New Image dialog box, click the Template drop-down list and then click.
So I am just going to stop that because you can listen to those on your own. So throughout these lessons, there are videos that accompany everything. One thing I do want to remind you of, make sure you save your work as you go. Okay, GIMP is usually pretty stable, but you just never know. Make sure you save it as you go. So this talks about how you set up layers. I had several questions last week about setting up layers. This is a review for that. So it says you're going to need a layer called banana, apple, and orange. So just make sure that you go through all of those. And here is the lesson, the video that will walk you through those steps. And again, I'm not going to go through all of those because the steps are there and you can watch those. Just a little review question, and then, so we're only on like page 11. So I'm going to go through these pretty quickly so we can get to the end so you know that all of the tools you're going to use are here. The videos are there. Talks about the eraser tool, which I would need to use a lot. And so then that's your little banana. Okay, so let's look at 6.02, drawing more shapes. Just another practice, and then 6.03. Let's see what's happening in 6.03 for this week. Using brushes. And then 6.04, that is your lesson on Thursday, 6.04. So what they want you to do is create a drawing without tracing. So let's take a look at the assignment, graded assignment, draw without tracing. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to open it up. And that is what they want you to do. So it says, after following the instructions to draw fruit. Now, you've already gone through the lessons and you've already drawn your fruit. Complete these steps to save your custom designed orange brush to create another drawing. So you are turning in 2 drawings. I know that's been a little bit confusing throughout the course. Well, do I turn in one thing or do I turn in 2? The lessons assume that you are working through the project with the lesson. So you do one with help when the person walks you through it on the video. Then you do one on your own. So you are turning in 2 different drawings. These are the files they want you to submit. Okay? So these are the files that they want you to submit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll have 5. Please make sure, if at all possible, please use GIMP 2.08. Please use GIMP 2.08. If you use 2.10, I cannot open it. Always make sure that you also give me your JPEG file. I can always open those. Okay, so there is that. Go back to, this is not you guys. Let me go back here. All right, and that should be it for the week of the 23rd through the 27th. So let's go back to our plan. I believe you may have a quiz on the 24th. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. I'm not sure what that is, if that is something you actually have to turn in, but if it is, there will be a Dropbox. All right, I hope this was helpful to you guys. Again, if you need to contact me, here is my contact information. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you create. And I'm sorry that we can't meet in class. I really wish we could have some actual class connects, but please come and see me during live help if ever you need any assistance. Thank you and have a wonderful week. There's my information. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.